In this video, we will show you an amazing remedy to get your hair silky and smooth in just 15 minutes. If you want a silky and voluminous hair without any chemical product, this natural DIY hair spa remedy is for you. By using this natural process, you will get slick and smooth hair at home in just 15 minutes. Watch the video till the end and we will show you the step-by-step process. Before starting, subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get our future updates. To start this method, ingredients you will need 4 tablespoons yogurt, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon honey and 2 vitamin E capsules. Procedure: in a bowl, combine the ingredients until you get a smooth mixture. Then apply this mixture to your scalp and hair. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse it out with lukewarm water. You will be surprised that it will make your hair healthy, smooth and silky. This mask will also make your hair more voluminous. Do this process once in a week to get your desired result permanently. It is 100% natural and it doesn't harm your hair at all. Yogurt is a natural hair care ingredient. It is rich in vitamins and fatty acids. These are essential for your hair health. It is also fights with dandruff and helps you to get rid of frizzy hair. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. To get more videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy.